everyone, and welcome back to channel EpicInquiry. Today, I want to talk about Dharma, which is simply the relationship between religion, tradition, and future happiness. Religion's position among traditions, and first gains the power to uphold religion. Is it true? But what is a tradition only called a religion? The fact is that religion is also found in tradition, as is the middle art of cooking. There is an art in stone, but the stone is not art. In order to dismantle art, the stone has to be broken, unnecessary parts cut out. Religion has to be explored in the same way. For example, the practice of worship of Govardhan would not have started if Indra had left the religion of worship. Then the Yadavs could not find their way to salvation. That is, the person who practices excessive rituals is deprived of the practice of religion, and he who does the blind imitation of tradition cannot become a true Dharam. There is a saying that ducks can always distinguish khir, i.e. if the water is mixed with milk, they can accept only milk. But is it not necessary to have a conscience that originates from the knowledge in the heart in order to attain true Dharma knowledge? Everyone wants to determine the future based on the future. The future will be happy, the future will be safe, and everyone is trying to make the diagnosis today. You see, in your own life, your diagnosis is not based on the future. Everyone has the right to try to make his life easier and happier. But no one knows the future. It can only be imagined. That is, we make all the important determinants of life based on imagination. Is there any other way to diagnose this? The base of all happiness is Dharam, and that religion is placed in the human heart. Therefore, before making any diagnosis, make sure to question your own heart. Is this diagnosis born out of self-interest or from religion? Wouldn't the future be happier if you judge religion instead of the future? When a man is punished for his crime, he may suffer injustice. The question arises in his heart, that when he committed the crime, he was a different person, then he had repented a lot, but why should he be punished? But where there is an injury, there will be repercussions. Such action is the result. If you give affection to someone, you will be happy. If you kill someone, you will get the death penalty. Such work is just as it is. But is there no value for atonement or repentance? There are, of course. Atonement, repentance, strengthens people from the heart, prepares people to accept the coming punishment. That is there any value in punishing the victim without atonement? Life is waiting for you, so give it your best. Not 1,000, find a big reason for what you want to do, that's enough. The greater the awareness, the greater is the potential. The action that makes you stronger from the inside is a good action. But the action that makes you weak from the inside is a bad action. Do whatever you do with zeal, otherwise, you will not. Open your mind, because this day will not come again. If you are able to concentrate your mind in a boring place, then the interesting place will become more than just a game. Always remember, whatever happens, is for the good. To me, the definition of success is just one: share it wholeheartedly and share it with everyone. If you give yourself 5% in any work, you will succeed. Money is as important as gasoline in a car. No less or no more. Say well, listen well, and look good. Failure proves that you are trying. If you want to be great, stop taking permission again and again. You will become as you see the world. If you do not want to change yourself, and if you want to live with your own weaknesses and failures, and then there is no value in viewing this video. If you think of this video as just a video in the YouTube, you will have no problem, but if you really want to give your life a complete direction, if you not want to be a common, then think deeply and start from this moment on. We all know the importance of inspiration in life, and everyone wants them to always be inspired. Adherence to these inspiring judgments in real life, one can change the lives of any human being. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe, share and comment to let me know what you think. Your valuable comments help me immensely to add additional inspiration.